Well, let's see if this is gonna hold up. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be going over the 1972 Buick LeSabre and what I did to put me a cross member up there, guys. I made me some stuff up. I just didn't see myself spending $350 on a cross member. My factory one didn't work. I'm getting ready to show y'all that one here in a minute, and we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, we got that out the way. We got sprinkled on a little bit. It's a little wet out here. El Camino dusty. Everything dusty. We gotta watch out for spiders. But I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all can go look in the past video too. But here's the original cross member. We got it sandblasted, painted, and everything, man. And it just would not work with the 4L60E. So I almost bought one, I think off of Summit Racing. It was only one that would fit this car. So it was like 350 bucks. Them cheap ones on Amazon, guys, don't buy them. Not for this Buick. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna fit. It's 56 inches long, and those are too short, so it wouldn't work. Yeah, let's get up under here so I can show y'all. Where's my light at? Ah, the plug is going in the garage. Let's see what we can see, guys. I already got my cardboard down so I can show y'all. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We do car content over here. We got a lot of cars over here. And yeah, y'all rock out with the Silky Smooth gang. But y'all, look what I got going here. Hold on. Let me take this bottom piece off the camera so y'all can see. Maybe y'all can see a little better. Nah, it's dark. I'm gonna have to get the light. Alright guys, we got a little bit of light going here. So, I'll move it over here. So you can see right there, we got the transmission mount in there. It's all bolted up and everything, like everything lined up perfect. And then let me scoot the light back. And then I notched this out, and then it's got 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on the other side. I got 2 more bolts I need to put in because I was just trying to line it up right here. But guys, this is pretty solid, pretty hard steel, man. I don't think it's gonna break that. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know, but I don't think it is. And then really you just sitting on that rubber, so I think it'll be strong enough. And then another thing we can do too, let's see if I can show y'all. I want to kind of go out from each side like this at a triangle, and then put another bolt. So, and then another triangle on this side, another bolt, and then the same thing over there. But for the time being, dude, that's perfect. It's got it's sitting right. Let me get up real quick. Oh my goodness. But look how it's sitting when you scoot back. So here's the frame. So the transmission is sitting right. It ain't up too high, it ain't down too low. I like it, guys. And we got a lot more stuff to do. I got some more parts in for you guys. And what else am I gonna do today? I don't know yet. But that'll be on tomorrow's video. Guys, this is gonna be a short video. Let me get my tripod back on here. Alright, got my tripod back on. But anyway, so if y'all wanna know all the measurements or anything like that, I can put it in the description, or hit me up on Instagram. Yeah, it'd probably be better. Just hit me up on Instagram at Custom Instinct, and I can give you that information pretty easy. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Silky Smooth Gang, and I'm out. Peace.